everyone, this is one of our hot-selling series, the intelligent EPM VSD screw air compressor. As you can see, its shell is covered with our brand color, bright yellow. So it is clean and shiny. Now let's open it to see its parts inside. This kind of air compressor is installed with the latest Airend in the world, and its structure is the one-shaft type. In this case, the compressor is more compact, stable, and efficient. Therefore, its operation quality is high, and you can check it anytime with the remote control system. Speaking of enhancing the efficiency of your work, it is guaranteed.